fellow RVers. This is Gary and Sharon, Rough Road RV Life. We like looking at freedom. Now, freedom's brought us somewhere. We're in Tennessee. We're going to a Blue Water RV Resort.
Blue Water RV Resort and Marina.
Yes, it's on the Lake Chickamauga Reservoir. Dayton, I think, is the city.
Yeah, it's closest to, well, I mean, Dayton's pretty close. Tennessee, that is.
Yeah, winding our way back once again. Could be a park road.
It's a beautiful, beautiful drive to get here, though, right?
Yep.
Interstate 81, 40 through Knoxville was not too bad.
And I-75 and Highway 30 to here.
Yep.
Campground entrance, a quarter-mile ahead.
It says stay right. Okay, that's a lodge. Okay, it says to go on up ahead. Okay. We hope. Otherwise, it's going to be an adventure.
Is that what it does? Go like that?
I don't know.
Check in straight. Keep straight.
Okay. It's a quiet community. Can you hear that, girls?
Yeah, Dayton, Tennessee.
All right. Here we are. Ugh. And there's the lake.
Take the next right onto Blue Water Campground Road, then your destination will be on the left.
Where's the checkout the cabin?
Yeah.
It's up there.
Ah. I would just say keep going straight. Okay, our tour starts right here as we're leaving Site 28. That's a host site right next to us. So sites are assigned, so we're just going to give you an overview of the place, but it seems like these right here to the left is where us transient folks are put. Dog park right there. Nice, large, but it's only one, so big dogs and little dogs, no separation. That is a peek at one of the places. We'll check that out in a minute. That is called the Ridge. Sites 37 through 58. So here's a little aerial view of it. As you can see, it's very nice. And we did meet someone here, and she thinks this is where the monthlies go, more seasonal. But how nice is that? Now there's a lodge here with a pond and a pool that campers can use. We're gonna go check out the meadow, which is to the right here. The meadow is sites 59 through 88. So there's a look back at the lodge, pool area, pond. You can walk your dogs around out there, unless they're prey driven like ours, they go nuts. So this area right here.
This is the meadow, sites 59 through 88.
This is a quiet community, the signs say, and it is a quiet community.
As you can see, it's a very well-kept park. Family owned.
And a turnaround. So we're passing 72, 71 on the right. There's one that's open. 68. Just quiet, peaceful, full hookups. And they do have Wi-Fi. Did you try the Wi-Fi?
It works okay. It's a little dog walk out here.
Nice. And restrooms. Right there. Showers, I assume. Okay, coming on this way. Oh, cemetery right there. Shaver Cemetery. So we're going to go to the left and go down and check out this other little area I showed you a while ago. What was it, the Ridge?
The Ridge. The Ridge, sites 37 through 58.
It's up, y'all.
Whee!
There's an open one. Site 38. Nice. We like this area. Well, you didn't. Well, I like this area because it's up. I'm not sure. Did you like this area?
Well, to walk to the dogs, you got to go down.
Oh, yeah. We're right across from Dog Park. So we'll show you our site. It's really good. But this is nice. Nice yards. They all have a yard. So you have space. Now
We're coming up on the putting green, the fishing pond, catch and release only.
Mm-hmm.
The pavilion and the pool. This is the back side of the lodge.
Right there. Back side of the lodge. Little swing out there. Nice little walk around the pond. Putting green. There's a pavilion. Pool area. And they give you a card so you can get into the pool. Not that anybody is here in October in Tennessee. And that was where we were just a moment ago. And now we're gonna go check out our area, our little neck of the woods. There's the red barn. Love the red barns. Let's look at that cemetery again. And this time we're gonna go straight. This is the way we came in. And so there's sites right away. It's 48 is right there. So these sites are 47 to 58.
What do you call those? Stepped terraced?
Yeah, they're kind of terraced. Can't really see here. Let me try to show you.
I can turn around and get them on the way out or something. If you
No,
want.
that's good. So we're going downhill. It was a little bit of a, we didn't know really where to go when we first got here. And we'll tell you how we figured out what to do in the wrap up. But there is a cabin right there. They do have cabins for rent in addition to the lodge. And of course, this is on the lake. There's several sites right there you can see. And there is the water, the beautiful water of
Lake Chickamauga,
Lake Chickamauga,
Tennessee River.
Tennessee River. There's another rental over there, I do believe, right? The River House.
Mm-hmm.
And then these are your waterfront sites right through here. Oh, good, there's not people here, so try to catch one. There's site 10. Site 9. Actually, those are pretty nice, Gary. I wouldn't mind being on this water over here.
Yeah.
Site 8. There were none available when we reserved. And there's some on the other side, you can see. So you can choose waterfront site if there's availability. See, there's one right there. And heading on down here to the
Welcome, Bill
store.
Dance.
Yeah.
Giant Bass Open.
So we came down here in our motorhome. And as you can see, it's a little hilly.
They have a nice deck out back you can sit on.
Yeah. I mean, it's nice. Pavilion. You can put your boat,
Full service marina.
store your boat. And they have these other tie-outs over here.
Docks.
Super nice. Docks. Are those docks? See those docks over there?
And if you do rent a boat, you can rent a dock slip.
So this is going back to our site, and still waterfront sites, but there's folks out. There we go. There's a rental cabin.
That's a big one too, isn't it?
Yep. Nice. And that brings us back to our little neck of the woods here, where we are at Site 28. There's 23 without anybody in it.
See, that's got that hill going down.
Yep. So we came up here and turned around because there is boat traffic on this road, so there's some people getting a boat out. But we're going to go on up here and park. Here's another site, Site 26. There was some nice folks there that we met, and our dogs played with their dog. And here we are, back at our site.
So that was our little drive-about tour of Blue Water Resort on Chickamauga Reservoir, which is fed by the Tennessee River. The Chickamauga Reservoir is a absolutely huge, like 300 miles of shoreline reservoir. It's just big, huge. And we got birds chirping.
Birds chirping, dog drinking.
Like I said, now this is a resort, so it's a full service park. You got the concrete slab, it's level. Sewer, you got a cable hookup, you got Wi-Fi, you've got everything. The phone works great, the internet works fine. It's like I said, it's a resort. And down at the Marina, or the camp store, the Marina, you can rent boat slips there if you bring your own boat. They also have boat rentals, pontoon rentals that you can rent there if you want to go out on Lake Chickamauga and spend the day out there fishing, whatever you want to do out there. The camp store is where you check in, but a note I will make, something I did not do, I guess they sent me my site number the morning of that I was going to arrive. I didn't open my email, so I didn't know what my site number was, and I drove down to the camp store to get it. It's not easy to turn around once you get down to the camp store because we got boats down there, the ramps down there, the parking's down there, and
It's on a hill.
It's on a hill. So if you're gonna stay here, they'll send you your email, your site, and just go to your site, park, and then go up and get your packet, which got your pool pass, because they do have a swimming pool here that you have access to, and you have a card to get in the gate for the pool. So you do have a swimming pool. They have a really nice lodge there, and
They have cabins.
you have cabins there, and it's close to Dayton, Tennessee.
Mm-hmm.
If you need anything up in Dayton, like Walmart or food or whatever, you can just run up to Dayton. It's not that far away. Now the campground itself, to me, I break it up into 4 parts. You can see it up here. This is the site.
Here, let me.
Thank you. You got the meadow up here, and then you got the hill right here. Then you got waterfront sites here, and then you got the site in here, this little middle area. It's where we were. And there are some waterfront sites here. But that's kind of a picture of it.
So you have plenty of room to walk your dog, and they do have a fenced-in dog park
Yes, they do.
that our dogs enjoyed running around and meeting the other neighborhood dogs.
Or a bark park, as they call it.
Yes.
It's a privately owned park, like I've been saying. People there are really nice. The camp store is well stocked. It's got a lot of stuff in there. And it's just a nice place to be. Bill Dance, if you're a fishing person, holds a big bass tournament there. And there's a college bass circuit that actually had a tournament when we were there. I think they had 250 boats registered for that tournament on that lake that day. So it's a nice park. It's a quiet park. It's a friendly park.
And you have enough space at your campsite. It is not, you know how some private parks can have you right up. You can't even put your awning out. You have some living space and actually a place to park our car right next to our site.
Yes.
We had our little own parking place.
Yes. Very nice park. We would recommend it. Nice people, nice sites.
Did you mention the catch and release pond?
No, they have a little catch and release pond up there. And also have a putting green too. I forgot about the putting green.
And it's green and you can walk your dogs on that. But I have to say this, we are not there right now. So this is not that park.
Yeah. We're actually a few parks down the road from that one.
Yeah, we're at Poplar Point. It's a recreation area, correct? Well,
Yeah.
Poplar Point Campground. It's on Jordan Lake.
Yeah.
We're in North Carolina, Apex, North Carolina, Poplar Point Campground. That's where we're at right now.
But one other thing about when you go into blue water, be sure you go in the way they tell you to go. You don't want to go the windy, sharp roadway.
Yeah,
Now, when you turn off of, I think it's 30 or whatever it is, there is about a quarter mile uphill, and it's an uphill. It's probably a 8% grade. Don't let that worry you. Everybody makes it up it and makes it back down. But if you kind of, I don't know which way Google would send you, but if it sends you up, remember,
Shipley Road,
Shipley
I think.
Road.
They have the warning on their website,
Yes.
so call them if you need directions.
Yeah, just do what they say. It's very easy to get to.
Yes.
And just go the way they tell you to get there, and you'll be just fine.
Yeah, it is not far. It's a little drive to the interstate, but it is convenient to get to. Very nice day. We enjoyed it. We're back in the area. We definitely go there again.
Yes.
And if you get a chance to check out downtown Athens, which is about maybe 40 minutes away, it's a cute little downtown area. So you can check that out. I got to check that out while I was there. So tell us about your favorite private park in Tennessee.
Is it on a lake?
And is it on a lake? And does it have Verizon service? Here's the thing that we struggle with is finding a place we want to stay that has T-Mobile and or Verizon.
Okay.
So if you know of a campground, let's just say any campground that is nice, that you would recommend, that also has phone service. Because that's important for what we do.
Okay. There we go.
Let us know. Drop it in the comments.
This is Gary and Sharon with Ruff Road RV Life, and we like looking at freedom. Hope to see you on the road one day. Safe travels.
Safe travels.
Take care. We're all backed up and we're ready to go. We're gonna hit the road, gonna take it real slow. Seeing sights along the way, living this RV way. Nothing